So this is my project Xmeme. I have designed a front end using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap 4 and JavaScript. Here you can see there. And I have added a dark mode toggler using JavaScript. So when I click on it, it changes the background color. And here I have added a Swagger UI for a REST API framework. And now let's get back. Here this is a search bar where you can search for a meme owner or a caption like this. So it fetches the data which has that string. So also if I write in capital letters, it fetches the data by converting that into a small letters. Also my project is fully responsive. If you want to see the views in different modes, like in a tablet mode, in laptop view or in mobile view, so it manage accordingly. So if I want to create a meme, so when I click on the create meme, it give me a drop down which has a 3 field: meme owner, caption or meme URL. So if I want to add something data like this, so when I click on submit, it make a post request and my meme got submitted. So I have get a status code of 201 created. So when I click on OK, so it reload the page and fetches all the data and give me a success code of 200. Also, if I add some random value in the URL like this, and when I click on submit, so it gives me an error that something went wrong, and it gives me a status code of 400 bad request. Also, if I want to add the duplicate values like this, so it give me a error of duplicate data. So also I get a status code of 409 conflict. If I want to edit a meme like this, so when I click on submit, it make a request and fetches all the data and give me a success code of 200. And if I want to delete a meme, so when I click on delete, it deletes the data and reload the page, and we get a success code of 200 okay after deleting it. So now let's move to our front end code. So here it is my HTML file where I have written HTML and Bootstrap code, and I have also linked my CSS with it for styling my web page. And here I have linked my JavaScript where I have made all the requests, like a delete request, patch request, and here I have made a post request, and in last I have made a get request and fetching the API using this link. So I have made the API using a Django REST framework. So here I fetch all the data and hosted on Heroku. So if I want to post something on my API like this, so when I click on post, it posted some data. So if I want to update something, so when I fetch the data of a particular ID like this, but if now let's make a patch request, but when I want to update the meme owner name, so if I click on patch, so what it does, it overwrites the data, and but if I want to update the caption, so it updates it like this, so it gets updated. So here it's my backend code. I have made the backend API using Django REST framework. Here it's my model where I have taken all the 4 fields like name, URL and caption. Here it's a serializer which is used to convert the complex data into a Python data type, that's dictionary. And here it's my views.py file where I have written all the 4 request code like get request, post request, and retrieve and update request, and also a delete request. And I have make all the routes here in the URL files, and here is my project.